Hi, good morning. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Stair Experts. We're standing inside Sushant Lok Phase 1. This location where we are at, this is the center location which connects you to the main Galleria market, which connects you to the Supermart 1, Supermart 2. This location is nearby to the Huda city center. This specific location is also close by connected with the main MG road, and today we are here on a plot size of 500 square yards, which is a 4-bedroom hall kitchen. Let's get started with the configuration of the house and the touring. Now the place where I'm standing right now, this is the normal hallway region. This is the hallway area because that's the door from where I entered. Once I enter from here, and if I step in here, this is the hallway region. That side is going to be your formal living space. This side would be your dining section. That's going to be your first bedroom. This is going to be your second bedroom connected with the dining, third and then fourth, and this is the kitchen. This is an overview of this house. This is a corner property, lush green, 3-side open location. Now on the surface that I see, this is all Italian stone which is there. The surface looks to be more prettier than we have ever imagined in this kind of a property. Above me you will see a small beautiful chandelier. You have a rectangular false ceiling design on the roof. I miss the recessed LED strip lights. अगर इसमें लग जाएंगी तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. Above me you see a small ceiling fan. This one is also a ceiling fan out here. On the left hand side, once you enter inside the property, this is a diamond cut beveled glass tile. Beside this beveled glass that we have shown you, इस तरफ इन्होंने थोड़ा सा इंजीनियर्ड वुड का काम करा है. अच्छा, वॉल पे टेक्सचर्ड पेंट है, ऊपर में भी पूरा इंजीनियर्ड वुड दिया हुआ है. दिस इज ऑल्सो इंजीनियर्ड वुड विच इज प्लेस्ड. इधर में आप अपनी पेंटिंग्स वगैरह, आर्टिस्टिक पेंटिंग्स कुछ भी लगा सकते हैं. एंड if you talk about on this side, this is again an engineered wood. लकड़ी का अच्छा काम हुआ हुआ है, इसमें डिजाइनिंग दी हुई है पैनल की. This is your textured paint once again, and you've got the security camera. If somebody is coming down to your home, that person would be visible to you, and probably you can get that person, you can grant the access to that person to come upstairs. Switches की बात करूँ, सामने में modular switches दिए हुए हैं. This is a beautiful movable item which is given from the developer side to the customer. वुडन का पूरा ये रनिंग शेल्फ टाइप है. इधर में आप बहुत खूबसूरत सी कोई पेंटिंग लगा सकते हैं, नहीं तो अपने हिसाब से कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं. ऊपर में you've got that satellite dish, उसका वायर प्री इंस्टॉल्ड है, so you do not have to take any pain. और सीलिंग पे अगर आप देखेंगे, you've got all round shape LED lights. This specific hallway area is also connected with the powder room. This is the powder room of the house. If your guest is coming to your home, or maybe someone else, and you might be, you do not want to take that person to your personal premises, this is the powder room that person will be able to utilize. QO का यहाँ पर फिटिंग हुआ है, sanitary का wall mounted commode seat है. You've got a beautiful granite stone here which has a curved design, and this is a beautiful vanity. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका I see this is पोर्सलिन का है, लेकिन इसके ऊपर जो कलरिंग हुआ है, ऐसा लगता है कि ये बहुत ही अच्छा लुक देता है. ब्रास कलर है. कैबिनेट्स नीचे दिए हुए हैं आपको टू कीप योर स्टफ. सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स की बात करूं तो काफ़ी अच्छी क्वालिटी की सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स है. you've got the diamond glass on top of this tap. Ceiling lamps are coming down, looking beautiful. You've got the round shaped mirror. This is designer tiles over this side and this side. Again, you've got the running shelf at the back side to keep your soap detergents. And this is again a designer tile which is given here. It's a tile given on the surface. So let's get inside the first place which is the formal लिविंग स्पेस ऑफ द हाउस। इसका दरवाज़ा भी देखेंगे आप, बहुत ही अच्छे से इन्होंने दिया हुआ है, स्लाइडर है तो जगह नहीं घेरेगा। लेट्स गेट इनसाइड द फॉर्मल लिविंग स्पेस। बिफोर वी गेट इनसाइड द फॉर्मल लिविंग स्पेस, you should be knowing what kind of partition is there to enter. This is a glass partition, a proper channel, so you can actually discuss most of your conversations in personal, and the privacy would be maintained without getting disturbed. The good quality door handle, this is how you enter inside the premises. A gala and entrance of the formal living space, a beautiful chandelier above me. The ceiling design is beautiful. It's actually a rectangular design, but it also has a few edges on the corners of the ceiling. You also see a beautiful fan which is by Luminous. That's a brand. On the surface, you've got the Italian flooring on the surface. A beautiful stone has been placed. This is again an engineered wood panel which is given to you. This is a long panel which the developer has given. This is looking pretty much beautiful. Over the walls that I talk about, this is a textured wall. That's the provisioning for the air conditioning system. इधर AC लगा के आपको देंगे, वैसे पूरे घर में Daikin के AC लगे हुए हैं for your information. This is again the air conditioning system by Daikin. Again you've got this wall on the left hand side which will stay empty for your customization. इधर में आप बहुत बड़ा, जिसको कहते हैं कि सोफ़ा, काउच या जो भी आपके मटेरियल्स हैं टू मेक योर लिविंग रूम, फॉर्मल लिविंग रूम मोर ग्लॉसी, so you can place it as per your convenience. Over that forefront that I see, you probably will be able to place a huge LED smart television out there. बहुत बड़ा टेलीविजन आप लगा सकते हैं. You've got the modular socket and everything is there. LED strip भी दिया हुआ है ऊपर में LED स्ट्रिप भी दिया हुआ है आपको. एंड दिस इज ऑल इंजीनियर्ड वुड. ये सारा लकड़ी का काम हुआ है. ये कुछ आपके कैबिनेटरीज का स्पेस है दैट यू कैन कीप योर स्टफ हेयर. You've got the spaces down here as well. यहाँ पर मैं आपका ग्रेनाइट टॉप की बजाय इन्होंने पूरा इटालियन मार्बल दिया हुआ है. दिस इज़ अ थिक क्वालिटी इटालियन मार्बल दैट यू सी. नीचे में आपको स्पेसेस मिले हुए हैं सारे कैबिनेट्स के. इधर से भी यू कैन ड्रैग दिस लाइक दिस. So you've got enough space to keep your stuff. You've got enough space to keep your materials over this side and that side. So it's similar on both the ends. यहाँ पर भी अपने मटेरियल्स आप रख सकते हो. लकड़ी का काम काफ़ी अच्छा कराया हुआ है घर के अंदर. So the space is not a crunch inside the formal living space. Now probably this formal living space is also connected with the balcony in the front. Today you see this lush green area outside the balcony. This is a beautiful, a view, a narration by the nature. We're not gonna step outside. There is a reason to it, because this door is locked as of now for time being. This will get open in a little while. So if you see this surface of the balcony में पूरा आपका laminated tiles लगी हुई हैं. रेलिंग्स आप देखेंगे सामने में, सारी की सारी जो रेलिंग्स हैं ये आपका स्टील की रेलिंग्स है. यू हैव गॉट दी टफन्ड ग्लासेस. ये पूरा लंबा, इट्स अ लॉन्ग balcony. Maybe from there, if the channel is open, I'll be able to showcase you this balcony from the first bedroom of the house. But since this is closed, we're gonna showcase you the way we are showing you today. This is the provisioning for your external air conditioning system. जो यहाँ पर आपका यूनिट लगेगा इंडोर का, उधर इसका एक्सटर्नल लगेगा. ये सारा का सारा आप ग्रीनरी देख सकते हैं. This comes with this property that you get. So this was about the formal living space of the house. Let's get inside to the first bedroom. Before we get inside to the first bedroom, I wanted to show you the dining section first. This is the dining section once again. This is the channel which is given here. You open the channel, you get inside to the dining section of the house. सामने में बहुत ही प्यारा वुडन कंसोल दिया हुआ है. सिंपल आर्टिस्टिक है, कोई ज़्यादा डिफरेंस इसमें मैं नहीं कह सकता कि ज़्यादा इसमें कोई चीज़ लगाया हुआ है. दिस इज़ अ टफ वुडन वर्क विच इज़ डन. साइड में आपका to keep your crockeries or maybe your falseries, maybe your wine bottles or anything else. इधर में आप छोटा सा बार भी बना सकते हैं अगर चाहें तो. ये आपका नीचे में शेल्फ दिया हुआ है, रनिंग शेल्फ टू कीप योर टेलीविजन रिमोट्स और मे बी समथिंग एल्स. यहाँ टेलीविजन लगा के अप्रॉक्सीमेटली टेबल फॉर 10 कैन ईजिली बी प्लेस्ड हेयर. A table for 10 would be the suitable right choice for a person who buys this property, and the dining gets it well worse. So this is a ceiling lamp which is given on the corner. This is a trapezoidal triangular side mode which is given to you. ये काफ़ी heavy है, इसके ऊपर में Italian stone रखा हुआ है to keep your stuff. This way as well you'll get this same similar upholstery running shelf, the corner running shelf to keep your stuff. और ये पूरा का पूरा आपका वुडन वर्क हुआ हुआ इंजीनियर्ड वॉल है ये पूरा. दिस इज a different kind of a material which is I guess ACP, aluminium composite panel, all over the wooden work. ये सारा का सारा wooden work है आपका. सीलिंग की बात करता हूँ मैं. सीलिंग आपका डिज़ाइन एजी है. This is not a square shaped ceiling design. This is basically an H shaped ceiling design which is given on the ceiling. Above me you see a small beautiful fan. You've got the Daikin air conditioner installed inside your dining section. This is a plain wall left for your customization. We'll cover this second bedroom little later. First we're going to cover up the first one. So this is now we are back inside the hallway area. Let's get inside the first bedroom of the house. This is the master bedroom of the property which is given in the front. Why? Because the master bedroom of the property belongs to the master of the house. That person can enjoy the significance of the trees, significance of the green nature, and he can actually nurture his thoughts as well in the near future. So probably this is the closet section given here. It's a huge closet. This is the closet space that you will get inside the master bedroom. Down there you'll get a boot space. On the flooring you've got the wooden flooring which has a warranty of around 10 years. You talk about the ceiling design. This is a square ceiling design, beautifully carved with square LED lights on the ceiling. Above me you see a fan by Luminous. This is your wooden console given. पूरा का पूरा वुडन कंसोल है. Here you can hang your television system. यहाँ पर मैं आपका पूरा का पूरा आप बेड लगा सकते हैं. यहाँ पर इसकी प्लेसमेंट आप कहीं और कर सकते हैं. ऑल्दो अगर आप चाहेंगे तो वहाँ पर भी आप बेड लगा सकते हैं और इधर में आप अपना टेलीविज़न लगा सकते हैं. देखिए वाइसा वर्सा है, सॉकेट्स उधर भी हैं इधर भी हैं. It depends on you how वास्तु फ्रेंडली you are. So मैं अगर होता तो बेड उधर लगाता और टेलीविज़न इधर लगाता और यहाँ पर मेरे रिमोट्स होते. This is the corner property of the house. So the queen of the house who's gonna stay inside this property, that queen also will get the dressers room out here. ये एक dressers room है जो उनके लिए भी है और उनके जो साथ में रहेंगे उनके लिए भी ये ड्रेसर्स रूम इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेसर्स रूम. यहाँ पर आपका पूरा का पूरा कैबिनेट्स है. नीचे में भी कैबिनेट्स दिए हुए हैं और सामने में एक ब्यूटीफुल मिरर है बड़ा. दिस इज़ अगेन a toughened glass, water resistance, mesmerizing view that you see from here. Since this is a corner property, so you enjoy the nature once again. If it's drizzling, raining, if it's hot in summers, or maybe it's cold in winters, so the spring, every season you'll be able to enjoy. This is the Daikin air conditioner which is given to you. This is the first bedroom का पहला washroom है ये. On the surface ये सारा का सारा पत्थर का काम करा हुआ है. यहाँ पर you've got the this is a natural stone. This is the designer tile. This is a natural stone which is on the surface, and this is your wet area channel, rain head which is wall mount. This is by QO, all sanitary fittings are by QO. That's your drainage vessel. This is a glass partition channel given one level above the surface which will help you to maintain the wet and the dry area in balance. This is the water geyser by A.O. Smith. You've got the wall mounted commode seat. Again, an Italian stone on the backside running shelf. This is again Italian stone. A beautiful vanity that I see. इसमें अगर सेंसर लगा होता तो और अच्छा होता ग्लास में. वैसे इन्होंने LED strip recess lights पीछे लगा दी हैं. This is the cabinet space that you will get. So this was about the वॉशरूम आउट है. you've got a small exhaust fan उधर ओरिएंट का. अगर आप उसको हटवा के शाफ्ट वाली विंडो भी कर सकते हैं, वो भी आपका चल जाएगा. So this is also connected with the balcony in the front. This is the front balcony. This is open fortunately. So if you come outside and showcase my viewers how the surroundings are going to look like, this is the view that they will get. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका सरफेस पे टाइलिंग है. इधर में पत्थर लगाया हुआ है आपका पूरा इटालियन आगे तक जा रहा है. MS का रेलिंग है एंड यू विल गेट दिस टफन ग्लासेस. दिस इज ऑल UPVC which the developer has used. This is primarily unplasticide polyvinyl chloride stuff. So this is a durable stuff. You'll be able to use it for a longer period of time. Let's get inside to the second bedroom of the house now. This is the second bedroom. The route towards the second bedroom is through the dining itself. ये आपका second bedroom है. Wooden flooring on the surface. This is your complete closet, your wardrobe that you talk about, which has a slider door. This is how you open it. You've got the boot space down there. So again, you've got the engineered wood ACP sheet out here on the left panels, which is almost looking nice. A luxury light that I see. ये रात के समय जैसे अगर आपने इधर में बेड लगा लिया ऐसे और सामने में आपका वुडन कंसोल है, this is gonna act as a night lamp. This is again a space to keep your stuff. This is a closet space. You talk about the ceiling. This is a rectangular shape design on the ceiling. क्यूबिकल्स LED लाइट्स दिए हुए हैं इसमें. इसके ऊपर में भी स्पेस दिया हुआ है आपको वॉर्डरोब में. सामने आप कुछ रखना चाहें तो रख सकते हैं. एंड पॉसिबली दिस वॉल इज लेफ्ट एम्प्टी फॉर योर कस्टमाइजेशन. इनफैक्ट यहाँ पर आप इतना ऊंचा बेड का जो आजकल लेंथ आ रहा है वो आप कवर कर सकते हैं वेलवेट वाला. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड विद द वॉशरूम आउट हियर. Sanitary fittings are by QO, #1 brand in these days. This is all designer tiles on the wall, and on the surface you'll see this is a natural stone out here. This is a wall mounted commode seat. You've got the water geyser by AO, and that's your wall mount rain head. This is a corner glass cubicle by Jaguar. This is how you open it and you get inside this shower area. This is how you shut it off. So this is a water assistant. The water will not flow outside. A beautiful design which the developer has given as per the space. Now this is the vanity that I see. You've got the cabinets down here. A beautiful bowl shape, golden gold plated. दिस इज़ दी वैनिटी. आपका एक वॉश बेसिन है और ये टैप भी देखेंगे आप किसी 5 स्टार या 7 स्टार होटल से कम नहीं है. लुकिंग ब्यूटिफुल. you've got a beautiful glass at the back, and this is how you recessed your LED strips out here. So कुल मिला के this is a beautiful washroom space. When you talk about these small things कि भाई कैसे डिलीवरी देते हैं, डेवलपर ने इनफैक्ट इसको भी कवर करा हुआ है. This is how they protect their things wisely, which is nice. This is the balcony of the second bedroom of the house. This is the back side. This back balcony is pretty much beautiful. On the surface you'll see you've got all tiling work done, which is the wooden shade tile. All the externals of air conditioning system are placed well. This is the space for your cabinets out here. Metal का railing दिया हुआ है. When you talk about the location, this is the backside location. That's the Bestech center point. You've got the HDFC Bank out there. You've got the IndusInd Bank just at the backside of your house. So if you are a banker, so this is the place where you should be at. This is primarily the balcony which is connected with the third bedroom of the house and the fourth bedroom of the house. So this is the balcony that you'll be sharing in common at the back side. For your safety, the developer has given these safety measures. पूरा ऊपर तक fencing करा हुआ है, cover करा हुआ है, so you have no place to worry. And this property also has a power backup by Sudhir. This is the genset which is placed there. So probably it's a long running balcony that I see. This is your utilities section where your washing machine is kept. This is a brand by Toshiba. This is a 7 kg washing machine. This is the space to keep your stuff out here for the utilities, maybe the detergents. This is your owner's manual that you will get if you purchase this property. So the warranty card is kept here. This is all your utilities section. So let's get inside once again and cover up the third bedroom of the house. This is again, we are entering inside the hallway. This is the third bedroom of the house. A beautiful, you know, the view that you get early in the morning once you wake up, or if the sun is, you know, it's actually a sunset time, so एक view आपको अच्छा मिलता है. You've got the UPVC channel here. This is a fixed glass. This also has a slider. You open it like this and you get outside to the balcony region. This is the wooden flooring on your surface, which has a warranty of around 10 years. A ceiling lamp looking beautiful on both the ends. यहाँ पर ऐसे आप अपना बेड लगाएंगे, सामने में LED console and you're good to go. This is the air conditioning system by Daikin. This is all space for the closet, and this is your washroom. This is a beautiful washroom that we are standing inside. On the surface you've got the tiles. Over the walls you've got designer tiles, a beautiful glass in a beautiful shape. This is a countertop, natural stone. This is an Italian stone. ये आपका cabinetry है, a beautiful vanity. All these sanitary fittings are by QO. This is again by Jaguar. This is a glass channel. Rain head QO का लगा हुआ है. Drainage vessel नीचे है. This is decent enough. And you've got the water geyser by A.O. Smith, and that's your exhaust fan given on the ceiling. So this is also connected with the balcony at the back side. This is the balcony space. Again, the similar balcony that you'll be sharing with the second, third and fourth bedroom. Nothing much to showcase here. So we'll get inside to the fourth bedroom of the house now, which is the last one, and then we'll cover up the kitchen space. Again, hallway, a beautiful wall lamp. This is the fourth bedroom of the house. This is quite a huge bedroom. कॉर्नर पे आता है तो आपको जो ग्लास है ये फिक्स्ड है, यूपीवीसी का आपको इसका व्यू मिलता है सामने, लश ग्रीन, and you've got the wooden flooring on the surface. This is your closet section. That's the place where your LED console will be placed. You've got all the specific wires coming out, so you do not have to get this installed. This is maybe for your children's, or maybe for the, you know, the lady of the house is gonna sit here and she's gonna dress up for you well. And this is all engineered wood over this side and that side, similar. आपका छोटे छोटे lamps दिए हुए हैं. This is again, you can move it here as per your convenience if you're aged. इधर में आपका पूरा इटालियन स्टोन दिया हुआ है. बहुत ही शानदार तरीके से प्रॉपर्टी बनाई हुई है. एक भी डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं है प्रॉपर्टी में. पहली बार मज़ा आ रहा है किसी शूट को करते हुए. दिस इज अगेन a rectangular shaped ceiling which is one level below this roof, और सारा आपका cubical LED lights दिया हुआ है. This is your Daikin का air conditioner, and this is the back side balcony. जो मैंने आपको दिखाई थी अभी, ये सेम है, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. ये आपका गैलेरिया मार्केट का पूरा रोड जा रहा है इधर से, ये हुड्डा सिटी सेंटर कनेक्ट होता है. सो दिस इज़ द काइंड ऑफ यू नो लिविंग यू गेट. सामने में आपको टेबल भी दिया हुआ है, दराज वगैरह भी है उसमें. दिस इज़ द वॉशरूम स्पेस. वंस यू एंटर इनसाइड द वॉशरूम यू विल गेट द क्लोजेट हेयर. इधर में भी और इधर में भी पूरा स्पेस दिया हुआ है. नीचे में आपका बूट स्पेस है. A beautiful Italian countertop, natural stone, well shaped glass. This is LED lights stripping up. This is your designer tiles, textured designer tiles दिया हुआ पूरा. इधर में भी designer tiles हैं. फ्लोर पे आपका you've got the designer tiles, once again normal designer tiles, but this is anti-skid. ये आपका QO का sanitary fittings है, glass partition दिया हुआ है. This is your rain head, possibly a bigger rain head, and that's your exhaust fan. This is the cabinet space at the down, and you've got the pedestal shape vanity by Midas. So let's cover up the kitchen space now. This is the entrance of your kitchen. Let me turn on the lights. That's the space to keep your refrigerator. Here you'll be able to park your refrigerator. This is an island kitchen वाला concept है. कंप्लीट आइलैंड नहीं कह सकते क्योंकि आइलैंड तो बीच का होता है. दिस इज द चिमनी बाय एलिका. पूरा का पूरा एलिका का स्टफ है. हॉब इज अगेन बाय एलिका. दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल बर्नर. दिस इज अ वाटरफॉल एज डिजाइन. Natural stone countertop, stain free. You've got the space to keep your stuff here. Maybe you can keep your cutlery. You can keep your grains, pepper, salt as per your convenience. This way as well. So you can utilize it as per your convenience. That's the space for your geyser. UPVC is by Fenesta. Once again, that's a pocket window given to you. You can drag it and you can slide it up. This is the water sink. This is your vessel. This is all by QO. Probably sanitary fittings अच्छी क्वालिटी का है यहाँ पर. That's how you close it. You've got the OTG by Elica. You've got the oven. Branded है सारा का सारा. This is the space to keep your cabinets. सारा पन्नी चढ़ा हुआ है इस पे. This is another space to keep your stuff. And you've got a space out here. यहाँ पर मैं आप इसको ऐसे खोल सकते हैं. It's glass crystal clear है. ये सारा का सारा you've got the space. You've got Italian on the flooring, and this is your dishwasher. This is your dishwasher. This is by Elica once again, and that's the washer's vessel. You keep your utensils out here. That's the air conditioner given to you by Daikin here. This is a small balcony connected to the kitchen. Railing आपका स्टील का है. Toughened glass is Italian on the countertop, and the surface stays again tiling है. भाई ventilation का problem नहीं है, view का भी problem नहीं है. You've also got a fan above me, and this is your glass channel. This is how you close it and you come out. Time to sign off. To reiterate, we were on a plot size of 500 square yards, which is a 4-bedroom hall kitchen, which has a separate formal living space, a separate dining space with 4 bedrooms differently meant, and you've got the kitchen, all balconies. This is a 3-side corner property. Now don't forget to give us your thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Please click on the bell icon given there for notifications. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.